Hello, second grade friends. This week we're going to be working on prefixes for our making words work together. You might be asking, what is a prefix? A prefix is a word part that comes at the beginning of a word. It changes the meaning of the word. That's because this word part has its own meaning. The prefixes we're going to be working on this week are dis, pre, re, and un. Now, when you're using a prefix to make new words, think of it as an addition problem. You start with what's called a base word. A base word is a word that can have a prefix added to the beginning or a suffix added to the end to create a new word. Now, this week we're just doing prefixes, so what you do is you add a prefix to the beginning. Prefix plus base word equals a new word. Let's go ahead and go over the meaning of the prefixes that we're working with this week. Dis is a prefix that means not, like in the words disappear and dislike. Pre is a prefix meaning before, like in the word pretest and preview. Re is a prefix that means back or again, like the word reappear or replace. Un is a prefix that means not, like undo and unlock. Now that we've read those prefix words, we're going to go back and we're going to put those words into sentences. Okay, so at any point, I want you to pause and create your own sentence, and then you can hear the sentence that I make. So for the first word, disappear, my sentence would be, I did a magic trick to make the rabbit disappear. Dislike. I dislike broccoli. I don't really dislike broccoli. I really like broccoli. Pretest. We took a pre-test on Monday, but our real test will be on Friday. Preview. I love getting to the movies early so I can watch the previews that come before the movie. Reappear. I thought my shoes were missing, but they suddenly reappeared by the front door. Replace. I broke my pencil. I need a new one to replace it. Undo. I made a mistake when I was writing my sentence. I need to erase it and undo it. Unlock. Can you please go unlock the door? Now we're going to do some making words. We're going to do it a little bit different this week, kids. You're going to need a full sheet of paper, scissors, and something to write with. You're going to have to fold your paper into 9 parts. So what I do is just do a 3-part fold and then do a 3-part fold again. So you're going to fold it in thirds. So I go like this much, press and fold, and then I take the other part, and it's okay, it doesn't have to be exactly equal. I know it will bother some of you. It kind of bothers me because there's that much space there. And then fold it like that. So I have 3 pieces. See? And now, come on, Benji. Come on, you want to help? Benji said he wanted to help. And now I'm going to fold it in 3 parts again, but going up and down. So fold it. I think I'll make it a little smaller. This one might be harder. I have a thicker paper, so I really have to press and fold it. And then fold it over again. And then when you open it, if I did it correctly, it should have 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it! Yay, Benji! We did it! Yay! Your paper should end up looking like this. Now we're going to be writing words in the boxes that we made when we folded our paper. At any point, you can press pause if you need to catch up. We're going to start first with prefixes. Re, un, and dis. Now we're going to be writing base words. Agree, pack, like, lock, do, and appear. Once you have all of your words written, you're going to cut on the lines. And this is when the fun part happens. Mix and match the prefix to the base word to make new words. I would keep a list and write those words, those new words, on a piece of paper so you can show your teacher the work that you did. Now, you may want to do extra work when working on prefixes this week, and you can. We always like you to do extra work. To get some more practice with your prefixes, you can read the book, The Unreal Party. All right, boys and girls, that's this week's lesson. Good luck on your work, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.